Hey folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. Important to know creation some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easy. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my